I hear the sounds of your heartbeat. I can hear it now. I can hear it now. I hear the sounds. I can hear it now. Of your heartbeat. I can hear it now. I hear the sounds of your heartbeat. I can hear it now. I can hear it now. I hear the sounds. I can hear it now. Of your heartbeat. I can hear it now.
It's Christic with Royalty Lawn Services, and I'm out here in the North Fort Worth area taking care of a lot of my lawn maintenance clients for today. Now, it was raining really hard this morning, so we had to wait it out until it kind of cleared up. And now that it cleared up, we're out here and we're getting it. And I got 4 more clients to get to. Number 1 was already taken care of. It was a big yard, but it wasn't that thick and that high, so we were able to mow through it real quick, and it still looked really good, and especially with that metal blade edging. That edge was nice and straight, so they're going to get good depth in that edging. So I'm about 2 minutes down the street from my second client, so let's go ahead and get over there right now.
Of your heartbeat, I can hear it now. I can hear it now. I hear the sounds. I can hear it now. Of your heartbeat. I can hear it now.
second client. Let's go see what we're working with today. Well, it's a pretty big yard, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. They got a real good view in the backyard. I like that view. I can hear it now. I can hear it. Alright guys, so I have finally reached the end of my day. I got a couple lawns out of the way. I'm going to save the rest for tomorrow, so we're going to be super busy, and I'm hoping the rain and the storms that are coming in to the DFW area doesn't affect my schedule, because if it does, it's going to put me behind just by a little bit. So I'll go ahead and see y'all next time. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to go online at royaltylawnservices.com and go to the merchandise page and check out our new shirts. This is one of the law enforcement officer shirts, one of our very popular ones. Get them while they're out right now. We have a whole lot of them in stock. A couple of sizes ran out, but we're getting them back in ASAP. So make sure to go check that out. Again, go to www.royaltylawnservices.com, click on the menu and go to the merchandise page, and you'll see this shirt as well as a few other ones. Thank you guys. I almost forgot. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and hit subscribe down below.